We oversee the police complaint system in Wales and England. We are not the police. We are completely independent of them. We investigate the most serious complaints and conduct matters involving the police, and we set and monitor the standards by which the police should handle complaints. We also consider certain types of reviews from people who are dissatisfied with the way their complaint has been dealt with by a police force. Working with our partners, service users and communities, we use evidence from our work to influence and drive changes in policing, particularly on issues that we know are affecting community and public confidence. We play a vital role in improving police practice by ensuring the police are accountable for their actions and lessons are learnt. Our vision is that everyone is able to have trust and confidence in the police. You are welcome to use Welsh with the IOPC. We take our responsibility to provide services in Welsh very seriously and have taken steps to ensure that a Welsh language service is available to you should you need our services. If we contact you either as an individual or as part of a public communication, such as an appeal for witnesses to an incident, we will offer you the choice of communicating with us in Welsh, English, or bilingually. Choosing to use Welsh in your communications with us will not lead to a delay or a lesser standard of service. Here are some ways that you can use the Welsh language with us. Reading information on our website. Completing an electronic form on our website. Calling our customer contact centre. Making a written statement. During a witness interview. Calling our witness appeal telephone number. Making a job application.